So, do you like beetroot? I know, there are many people that don't like it, but this beetroot soup is going to be amazing and I bet that you are going to love it. So, come on, let's go! So, let's start with our beets, carrots, sweet potato, onion, garlic, thyme, and I'm going to use lemon thyme, but you can use any one you like, and finally 1 or 2 bay leaves. Now, if you are new around here, and probably you are because this channel is very recent, the ingredient list is below in the video description. Next, let's peel our veggies, and there's nothing to it, there's no secrets here. And remember not to discard the peels because it could be great to do a veggie stock or even to put it in the composting. Chop the ingredients into small pieces. Now, if you are using a wood board like me, maybe this is not the best option because the beetroots are going to make it red. So, if you have, it's preferable to use some kind of plastic board, but well, I didn't remember it, so I guess I have to deal with it. When you have all the ingredients prepared, let's take an oven sheet. And yes, I know what you are thinking. I'm going to make soup, why the hell do I need an oven sheet? You have to trust me about this. If you do it this way, it's going to be a lot better. It's going to really surprise you. And for this, you just need to pour your veggies into the oven sheet, put your thyme over them, the bay leaves, sprinkle them with a very good portion of olive oil, and yes, it should be Portuguese olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. And finally, take them to the oven that should be preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour. And by the magic of video editing, here they are. Take your bay leaves and thyme out. Pour your veggies into any kind of mixer that you like. Add boiling water until your veggies are completely covered. And obviously this depends on your taste. You can add a little more water or a little less. It depends on what you like more. And after that, check the consistency and the flavor. If it needs a little more salt or a little more pepper, well, just adjust it. Or maybe a little more water. Well, it depends on your taste, like I said. Mix it again. Check it again and now it's perfect. Now, to take this soup to another level, let's add a little bit of coconut milk. You can use something different, but I think coconut milk is perfect to combine with the beets. Mix it together again. And it's done. Let's make it pretty. A bit of coconut milk. Some croutons, that always works in any kind of soup, and finally any kind of herb that you like, that you have available to you. And here you have it, just look at this soup. Isn't it looking nice? So don't forget to check my other videos. My name is Miguel Teles, this is Tuga Kitchen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.